Hello everyone. What I have today is the Abus D10 dimple lock. Let's try to give you a good shot of the keyway there. There's control pins coming from the top of the core, key pins of course from the bottom. Makes it really difficult to get your pick in there a lot of times. See if we can get this picked on camera. It has been a camera shot, little booger. Alright. I'm going to go in at first with the curved flag. A lot of wiggling on this one to get it through. I believe I may have overset something. Let me go in and check. I got a little bit of a false set there, but I got my flag stuck. There we go. I have my flag stuck behind the binding pin. And that's the hardest part of this lock, is the keyway. Get my pick out. Alright guys, since we do have the key, we're going to go ahead and get the gutting of this on camera. Big thanks once again to Tony S for giving me this to play with. This has been a lot of joy. Alright. Make sure we are there. Alright. May be able to get this off with the can opener attachment. Perfect. Oh, I didn't show you our key. Let's see if we can get a good look at it. We got some good highs and lows there. Now I'm already prepared this time for the passive key control key pins. So let's see. All right, our key control pins, or our passive pins, are first two and the last two. And I just drop pin 1. All right. Just take the key out. We can see that all of those needed to be picked. Beautiful key pins. Alright, let me straighten those up. Give you a little peek at them. All of the key pins have the spooling at the top. Alright, going from the back. Would help if I took the shim out. So we'll go from the front. Driver pins are looking like standards so far. One spool, 2 spools, and 3 spools. Okay, so 3 spools, 3 standards. Springs are all the same, so I'm not gonna, wait. Yeah, springs are all the same. I'm not gonna bother taking those out. But let's get you a good shot at these pins. Try to get come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, all the key pins have that spooling at the top of the pins. So that made for a fun pick. We got our 3 spools over here and 3 standards. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you Tony for the lock. Everybody else, have a great night.